Leaders of the Khasi Students' Union, which has doubted the credentials of the 9 Mbbs candidates, met with Health Minister Ampreen Lyngdoh on Monday to register their opposition to the selection. Leaders of the Voice of the People party had met with Lyngdoh on the matter earlier. The minister told reporters after the meeting with the KSU that the state would have a revised list of selected candidates after the centre on Sunday night announced 2 more medical seats for the state. According to the minister, the government is ensuring that each applicant signs an undertaking that his or her seat would be revoked if any document is found to be doctored. Meanwhile, KSU General Secretary Donald Thaba said some doubtful applicants with doubtful citizenship were selected for the Mbbs seats from the state quota.
Mbbs quota from the state government. They are doubtful residents, so we did give a press release a few days back.
We have anyways ensured that every applicant who has applied for allocation of seats signs an undertaking that if any document found to be untrue and fraudulent, their seat will stand revoked. We also have that. We cannot delay this allotment of seat anymore because we are running out of time. Most institutions are giving deadlines to all who are availing the seats to report to their institution, I'm told already by 1st, 2nd, 3rd of September. We are already running late.
Opposition Congress has expressed